Hey, my amazing people. Welcome back to OmololaFinanceLab. How are you doing today? I'm Badamosi Omolola, and it's so good to see you back here. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and BOOP the like button because today, we're diving into something big and life-changing, your money shield. Yes, we're talking about building a financial safety net to keep you secure in tough times. Stick around because we've got step-by-step tips, fun challenges, and practical examples that will make you the pro of protecting your hard-earned money. Oh, and don't forget to drop your thoughts, questions, or video requests in the comments. I'm always here to serve you. What if I told you that just one strategy could save you from financial disasters, protect your assets, and even help you sleep better at night? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's called a financial safety net, and you're about to become a master at creating yours. Now imagine this: no more sleepless nights worrying about emergencies or surprise expenses. With the right plan, you'll have the confidence to tackle whatever life throws at you. And the best part? You don't have to do it alone. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And wait till you see the fun challenges we prepared for you. Trust me, you'll want to watch till the end. Let's start with the basics. Imagine your car breaks down, or you face a medical emergency. Without a financial safety net, these situations can throw you into chaos. A safety net is your backup plan, your money shield against life's unexpected events. I once heard about someone who had to sell their favorite gadgets just to cover unexpected hospital bills. But guess what? With an emergency fund, they could have kept their cool and their gadgets. Now, picture this: you lose your job unexpectedly. Scary, right? But with a safety net in place, you'd have the breathing room to focus on finding a new opportunity without panicking about your bills. It's like having a cushion to land on when life throws you off balance. Did you know that 60% of people face financial stress due to unexpected expenses? This highlights the importance of a safety net. Here's a fun challenge: write down 3 situations where you might need extra cash urgently. Maybe it's a sudden trip to the dentist, a last-minute home repair, or even a surprise celebration. Start thinking about how much you'd need to feel secure. And here's a pro tip: prioritize emergencies based on likelihood. For instance, if you're a car owner, unexpected repairs should top your list. Got pets? Vet bills might be something to consider too. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to start saving today, even if you're on a tight budget. You don't want to miss it? Now, let's talk about the core of your safety net, the emergency fund. Start small and aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Open a dedicated savings account. Don't mix this money with your daily expenses. Automate your savings. Set up a direct transfer, even if it's just $20 a week. Set realistic goals. Start with 1 month's worth of expenses and grow from there. Remember our previous video on budgeting? We discussed automating savings with apps like Acrons, Robinhood, and Stash. Check out that video if you missed it. Data shows that people who automate their savings are 80% more likely to reach their goals. Here's a quick tip: use small milestones to stay motivated. For example, celebrate when you save your first $500. It's a big deal and shows you're on the right track. Open a savings account today. Drop a comment below if you're committing to this challenge. Let's cheer each other on. And don't forget, using high-yield savings accounts can help you grow your emergency fund faster while keeping your money safe. Remember, every little step you take towards saving makes a huge difference in the long run. Coming up, tips to protect your assets and level up your financial game. You don't want to miss this. Your assets are what you've worked hard for, so let's shield them. Get insurance. Whether it's health, home, or car insurance, make sure you're covered. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are great options. Use legal tools like trusts or wills to secure your assets for future generations. A friend diversified by investing in real estate alongside stocks. When the stock market dipped, their property value stayed strong. Research shows that diversified portfolios reduce risk by up to 40% compared to single asset investments. Start small by researching one new investment opportunity or insurance policy this week. Taking even a single step can help build stronger protection for your future. Take a look at your current insurance policies and investment portfolio. Are you fully protected? Make a checklist today. And don't forget to regularly update your portfolio. As your life changes, whether you buy a home, start a family, or get a new job, your financial needs will change too. Review your insurance annually to ensure it meets your changing needs. Keeping your assets safe isn't just smart, it's empowering. Building a safety net takes time, patience, and emotional discipline. Avoid impulsive spending and stick to your plan. Create a spending tracker to identify areas where you can cut back. Reward yourself for milestones. Hit your first $1,000. Celebrate with something small and meaningful. Picture this: instead of splurging on a fancy gadget, you channel that money into your emergency fund. Over time, you'll thank yourself. Studies reveal that setting small rewards increases goal achievement rates by 30%. Share in the comments the one thing you'll give up this week to save money. Let's inspire each other. Keep motivational quotes or images where you can see them daily. This keeps your goals top of mind. Another great tip: find an accountability partner, someone who can cheer you on and help you stay focused. It could be a friend, family member, or even a like-minded person from the comments section. And don't forget to revisit your progress monthly to stay motivated and adjust your plan as needed. Hang tight. We're about to wrap up with actionable tips to grow your safety net fast. Wow, we've covered so much today. From understanding why you need a financial safety net to building an emergency fund and protecting your assets, you are now equipped with the tools to create your money shield. So, what's next? Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, BOOP the like button, and let me know in the comments your biggest takeaway from today's video. Don't forget to ask questions or suggest topics you want me to cover. Remember, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And hey, check out our playlist for more videos on budgeting, saving, and smart investing. Your journey to financial freedom starts here, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. Thank you for spending your time with me today. You're the reason this channel keeps growing, and I'm so grateful. Let's keep this money-saving journey going. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep building that money shield. Bye for now.